Hey guys, this is Josh with JC Landscaping. I'll do a quick video real quick here. I see a lot of different people sharpen blades. They use, $200, $300, $400 grinders to sharpen their lawnmower blades. Which, hey, if you've got the extra money thrown around, you can do that. Me personally, nothing special. I have just a grinder here with a flap wheel is what it's called. You can buy these at Lowe's, Ace Hardware, Home Depot. Everybody's got them. I think they're like $2.50 each, $3 each, something like that. Not that bad. They last quite a while. This one's just about done. But another big question is, do you guys sharpen brand new lawnmower blades? Some people do, some people don't. Me personally, brand new blades, just ordered these. They are round. As you can see here, they are not, to me, they're not up to par for sharpening grass. Plus, the paint's on there, it'll wear off, but that is not a sharp enough edge for me to mow with. And all blades are like that, factory. Some people just start mowing like this. They slap them on there and just go with it. Me personally, I take the edge off, or excuse me, take the paint off and put a little bit of an edge on it. So give you a quick little thing how I'll do it here. Vice grips, corner of open trailer, really easy. Now real quick, and as you can see here, just a little bit, you don't want to deviate this angle of the blade. You want to keep this back here. And that was just a few little hits there. It's still got a little bit of roundness on it. I'll go over that a few more times. But try and keep the grinder at a consistent angle so you do not deviate from here. And there we go. Okay, now that I've sharpened both ends, some people do this extra little step, some people don't. This right here, blade balancer. Take it and you just set the blade on there. And it'll tell you if you're high on one end or heavy on one end or light on the other. That one is pretty good considering my trailer is not actually level right now, so that one is really good. Main thing about doing that, you want to keep that blade balanced so you're not putting wear and tear on your spindles. The bearings, it will definitely wear them out. Some people say it will. I know for a fact it will wear your bearings out and your spindles, and I know nobody wants to go spend $150, $200 for new spindles. So that's just a quick video for you guys today, blade sharpening. And if you can, like, subscribe. I'm gonna try and get 1 to 2 videos a week uploaded for you guys, keep you guys interested in the channel. So if you can, like and share, subscribe, and spread the word. Peace.